Advanced Beginner Christmas Tap Dance, that's what you're going to learn in this video. Be sure to watch all the way to the end to find out how to stream the music for free and get our Christmas Tap Pack for just $1. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. Before we jump in, let's take a look at the combination. Well, there you have it. Let's break it down. Starting with your right heel popped up, we're going to hold 1, 2, step, step, drag, stamp, clap, step, step, drag. Let's take it from the top. 6, 7, 8, hold 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. From here, stamp, step, step, stamp, step, step, stamp, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. I'll show that again. That was stamp, step, step, stamp, step, step, stamp, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Let's go from top, and I'll put counts on everything. 6, ready, go, hold 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8. Beautiful. Let's roll it again and add a little bit more speed. 6, ready, go, hold 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8. From here, your right foot's free. Step, heel, touch, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, stamp, stamp, clap, right foot, cramp, roll. I'm going to show that again. 6, ready, go. Step, heel, touch, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, stamp, stamp, clap, right foot, cramp, roll. From here, repeat the step, heel, touch, heel. Step, heel, touch, heel, step, heel, touch, heel. Followed by dig, toe, step, 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 ball change, dig. I'm going to show that again. That was dig, toe, step, 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 ball change, dig. One more time. 6, ready, go. Dig, toe, step, 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 ball change, dig. And on that dig right there, the little point, there's going to be a little bell, ding, right on there. We're going to hit it. It's going to be great. You're going to love it. So let's go from the second time we do step, heel, touch, heel. The second time, which is what goes into the dig, toe, step, step. 6, second time through. Step, heel, touch, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, dig, toe, step, 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 ball change, dig. Let's roll it again, same spot. 6, ready, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1. Now let's go from the first time we do the step, heel, touch, heel. The first time through. 6, ready, go. Step, heel, touch, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, stamp, stamp, clap, right foot, cramp, roll. Step, heel, touch, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, dig, toe, step, 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 ball change, dig. I'm going to roll that all again with some counts. 6, ready, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1. Let's hit that one more time. Then we'll give you some options if you do want to spice it up. Same spot. 6, ready, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1. If it's feeling a little easy, instead of step, heel, touch, heel, you can do flap, heel, touch, heel, flap, heel, touch, heel, stamp, stamp, clap, a double cramp roll. Flap, heel, touch, heel, flap, heel, touch, heel. This will be the same all the way through. So all I'm doing is replacing step, heel, touch, heel with flap, heel, touch, heel, flap, heel, touch, heel. Then stamp, stamp, clap for the cramp roll. I'm doing a double cramp roll, just starting with the flap. Then flap, heel, touch, heel, flap, heel, touch, heel. So those are the options if you want to spice it up. I'm going to keep it the base version for right now, but you can add that extra in if you like. Now let's take it from top through everything you know. We'll do it a couple times, then we'll hit some music, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Here we go, top. And hold 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and my friends. One more time without music. Then we'll put some music on and have a good time. Top. Ready and hold. 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and a 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and a 8 and 1. Alright, if you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment to pause the video and drop a comment down below. I'll give you a second to do it right now. Awesome, thank you so much. We're going to be tapping to the song Reindeer Rhythm, which I co-created with AI. It's available exclusively through unitedtaps.com. If you want to stream it for free, just click on that link down below. And at that same link, you can get our Christmas Tap Pack for just $1. That's going to let you download that music plus 3 additional songs. It's going to allow you to download notes for this combination and to learn the extended version of this combination as well as 3 additional combinations. All that for just $1. All right, we're going to be starting this dance right at the beginning of the song. We'll start under tempo first and gradually work our way up to real speed. You're going to be fantastic. Let's give this a shot. Now, if it feels slow, just hang tight. We'll get faster, I promise. One more time at -10%. Here we go. I'm loving it. I hope you are too. Let's do it. Rolling. Let's jump it up 5%. So we'll be 5% under. And you'll feel the difference, but it's still super manageable. Let's do it. We're going to roll that again. You can feel it's a little quicker here. -5%. We're rolling. Boost it up, real speed, you got this. Have fun and rock it out. Real speed, my friends. Rolling. Or not. Let's try that again. Rolling. Let's roll it again. I'm loving this. Hope you are too. Run the top. Yeah, the beginning is the fast part. Bum, bum, bah. It's quick. Then it kind of chills out here. All right, here we go. From the top, we are rolling. My friends, let's roll it one more time. Real speed. You got it. Have a good time. We're rolling. I'm going to run it one more time facing you. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front. And I'm going to be doing the extended version of the combination. Well, thank you so much for tapping with me. If you want to learn the extended combination that I just performed for you, click on the link down below. That will take you to our Christmas Tap Pack, which you can get for $1, which has that extended combination, plus 3 additional combinations, plus the music for all of them, which you can download, and written notes. If you just want to stream the music I used for free, go ahead and click that same link down below. Thanks again for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.